So Justin's turn.
Oh, that's you.
And then Mom will be next.
From?
Justin and I.
Mata?
What'd you get? A cover for your iPhone?
Yes.
Cool.
You've been living without it for like a week now. It's dangerous.
Good. Okay, Justin's turn. He's opening his up. Let's see what he gets. I think this is the biggest item under the tree.
Who's this from? John?
Yep, from Jonathan. What is it? What is it?
An amp.
It's an amp. Sweetness.
Huh.
We'll stop that here.
Oh, and some wires for it. Cool.
I have some amplification for your.
This is legit.
It's for your.
No more 3.
Your new guitar, the acoustic
Dang.
electric.
Thanks.
He likes that. That was the biggest gift under the tree.